All right, fifth grade, we have multiplying decimal numbers by 10, 100, and 1,000. Now, some of you may know when you're multiplying any number by these, or powers of 10, we call them, it's a very simple process. All you need to do is move the decimal number by however many zeros you see in your number. So let me show you an example. If I have 1.234 times 100, I don't need to write it all out and do this big long 1.234 and times 100 and do it all. I don't need to do all that. All I need to do is move this decimal spot 2 spaces to the right, because 100 has 2 zeros. Then I have my answer. So instead of 1.234, I have 123.4. I move my decimal 2 spaces to the right when I'm multiplying by 100. Here's a few more examples. So up here I have 1.456 times 10, number 1 in that corner. 10 has 1 zero, multiplying by 10, so I move the decimal 1 space to the right. So instead of 1.456, I have 14.56. Move the decimal 1 over to the right. The number got 10 times larger. Number 2, I have 2 zeros, so I'm going to move it 2 spots to the right. So I have 145.6. That's my answer. Number 3, I have 3 zeros, so I'm going to move it 3 spots to the right. 1, 2, 3. So now I have 1, 4, 5, 6. All right, go ahead and try the next two on your own. Number 4, I have 1 0 here times 10, so I 1 spot over, so I have 7.28. And number 5 times 1,000 would be 3 zeros, so 3 spots to the right. 1, 2, 3. So now my decimal is at the end here, so 915 then would be my answer there. All right, here's your lesson practice. That is part of your assignment. Remember, all you're doing is moving those decimals over by however many zeros you see to the right. So, boom, done. Blessings on your day.